Hello YouTube land and welcome back to the Small Workshop Adventures. This is another woodworking and well-being, number 9 I believe in the series, and this video we're just going to talk about the little moments and the small steps. So it's often the little moments in life that provide the greatest feelings of appreciation. Those moments, they just happen, don't they? If we're aware of this, then we can find stability in this feeling from one small moment to the next. And the thing is with small moments, they just come and go and we don't notice them because they're small moments. They just come and go. And that feeling, it just is there and then it's gone. It's fleeting, isn't it? So very often in life, our appreciation of gratefulness, more often than not, is in very short bursts. If somebody does something kind for us or we achieve something, then we are grateful. We feel good. But the feeling after a short while, it just goes, doesn't it? It disappears. So there appears to be no stability in the feeling of appreciation. Comes and it goes. I'd love to hang on to it, but I can't. How do I hang on to it? Can you hang on to it? But if we start to notice and acknowledge the smaller things, the smaller moments, the little moments that can happen throughout the day, and they happen to us all the time. After all, what is a day but a series of very, very small moments? Then I would suggest we would find a way of feeling appreciation more often. Starting a project in our workshops can at the start be quite overwhelming. We see it as a whole. Have I bitten off more than I can chew? That's the title of one of my videos, isn't it? And I've just started a big project, working actually for a neighbour, but it's a paid job, and I'm building a very big project. And if you think about it at the start, it's an enormous project. And we see it as that whole, don't we? It's a bit like being at the start of a journey. It can feel too far if we're not in the mood, or we feel, for whatever reason, we haven't prepared enough. And yet, to break that journey or that project into the little moments, the individual steps, and learn to notice and appreciate each individual moment, we can start to move forward. By doing this, we start to notice, becoming aware that each little moment in our workshop is a moment for appreciation, to be thankful. And before long, after just focusing on the small moments, we find ourselves halfway or maybe at the point of completion. And there are so many opportunities in our workshops, on a project, in our days to acknowledge when things are going well, when those just small moments. It could be just a moment that you're just having a cup of tea, or you're just noticing the peace and quiet. I can hear the birds in this moment, and I can just appreciate that for what it is, for nothing more, nothing less, just appreciating the small moments. That is going well. So if we begin to notice this, I would suggest we would find we have a lot to celebrate. And those little moments eventually add up. So this has been a woodworking and wellbeing video. Please like and subscribe. There'll be some other videos floating around up here. I get my finger thing going well. Please comments as well. I love the comments. Please there, and please keep pressing the like button as YouTube get to know that you like this sort of content, and it helps share it further and more widely. So if you know anybody, please share the video that might be interested in this sort of thing, that wouldn't normally listen to somebody talking about well-being, certainly in this context. So from me, Mark, at the Small Workshop Adventures, take care everybody. Bye.